Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a tactical ground-level review of Pictory, the absolute juggernaut of automated content repurposing that has fundamentally shifted how marketing teams, bloggers, and faceless YouTube creators manufacture video content at scale without touching traditional editing timelines. If you are drowning in long-form assets like written blog articles, lengthy Zoom webinars, or text scripts, Pictory positions itself as a streamlined manufacturing line that effortlessly converts text strings into structured, captioned videos in minutes. The undeniable core strength of this system is its dual-engine approach to visuals, combining an expansive library of over 3 million standard royalty-free stock clips with their modern AI studio interface, which embeds generative video engines like VO and Pixverse directly into your storyboard to create custom artificial intelligence graphics whenever traditional B-roll falls short. On the audio front, a premium native integration with 11 Labs delivers highly convincing human-like synthetic voiceovers across dozens of distinct accents, entirely eliminating the need for expensive external mic setups. Furthermore, the text-based video editor allows you to edit physical video footage simply by deleting words from an automatically generated script transcript, instantly wiping out filler words like and ah along the way. However, using Pictory across a professional production workflow exposes clear limitations that you must weigh against the speed benefits. While the script-to-video matchmaking engine handles basic layouts smoothly, the automated footage selection still frequently surfaces generic or mismatched stock clips, requiring significant human curation and manual replacement to achieve a polished brand identity. Additionally, if you are looking for highly stylized cinematic animation, complex custom character framing, or advanced keyframe choreography, Pictory is distinctly not built for that aesthetic, as its tools favor fast information delivery over artistic cinematic flair. Ultimately, Pictory is an elite, high ROI tool for content teams who need to aggressively scale their short-form social pipelines and repurpose text into video, provided you accept its focus on practical business automation rather than high-end cinematic art. Subscribe the channel for more videos.